Broad ocean fan motor and air handler won't start. KMSAHO14CO1.
Hello and thanks for using this service. If you have been waiting, do not worry or get upset. I'm just one of the techs on here and I try to get to as many customers as I can, and I just picked up your question now. Please give me time to respond, as typing, researching and adding links takes me time to do, so please be patient, and often I will ask you questions to narrow down the issue, so do not rate me until we are done. Thanks. Does the fan hum or do anything at all? Also, can you spin it by hand when it is off freely?
Unit is 2 years old. I took the fan out. It's still in housing. I just don't want to buy a new one if this one can easily be repaired.
Is the fan seized or just not turning? I just want to know what happened for you to take it out.
It has power all the way to motor connecting plug. No hum at fan. It spins freely. Small hum at little transformer in other compartment. Transformer hot.
The motor is bad. Either you have a bad winding or the internal overload is burned out inside the motor. If you are not happy with the service, please let me know before leaving a negative rating. This is the only way I am paid or credited through the site for my time. This will also allow you to get directly back to me for free follow-up questions, and tips are greatly appreciated. Thanks.
Do I have to replace with same motor variable speed, or can I go with a straight 1/3 of a horsepower to save money? Oh, and add run capacitor.
Did you check the control module for the motor?
I look inside, nothing burnt or melted.
Okay, the motor itself is likely fine, but the control module is bad. You would have to use the same style board in it to replace it with, as you need a variable speed unit. Did you check the back side of the board?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.